Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an ORTIZAN X10 wireless Bluetooth speaker or speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with your speaker not pairing to your phone or other device, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not working, not responding, or also if it's stuck connected to the wrong thing and you just want to get it fresh start so you can connect it to what you want to, this will fix all of those issues usually. And that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to clear everything out and start over. We can go ahead and do this if the speaker freezes or whatever. And all we need to do on this speaker is we're just going to come in and do a long press on the power button. So do a long press on the power button for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, no matter what happens, this will force the speaker, if it's on, it will just force it to turn off. And then you can turn it back on and set it up like it's a brand new speaker. And if you're interested in getting one of these speakers, you can get a great price on it at Amazon. I'll put a link below.